ABCD is a rectangle. So we are given a rectangle ABCD. Yes, children? So let me draw a rectangle. A, B, C, D. Okay? P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of AB. P is the midpoint of side AB. Q is the midpoint of BC. R is the midpoint of CD. And S is the midpoint of AD. Clear, children? We are given these as midpoints. Show that quadrilateral PQRS is a rhombus. Show that quadrilateral PQRS, that means when we are joining P, when we are joining these midpoints, now the quadrilateral this is obtaining, we are getting is a
Rhombus.
rhombus. So we have to prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Now, children, first thing, I will be dividing this question in two parts. First part mein I will show that since PQRS is a quadrilateral obtained by joining midpoints of ABCD, what should be PQRS for sure?
Parallelogram.
Very good. If you know this, one part is done. The first part mein we shall show that PQRS is a parallelogram. And we are going to show that PQRS is a parallelogram with the help of which theorem, beta?
Midpoint theorem.
And midpoint theorem is applicable in which triangles? Which part? Triangle. Right? So first of all, we need to have a triangle over here. For that matter, let us do a construction and join AC. Right, beta? Right? So now in triangle ADC, SR is a line segment joining midpoints. Therefore, SR must be parallel to AC and also equal to
Half of AC.
So SR parallel AC and SR equal half of AC. This is in triangle ADC. Right? What next? In triangle ABC. What do we have in triangle ABC?
PQ
is
equal
parallel to AC and half of AC.
also is parallel to
Yes.
AC and it is half of AC.
So from these two, can we get that SR is parallel to PQ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
And SR is equal to PQ.
Yes,
Both
ma'am.
are half of AC, so both are. And in a quadrilateral, if one pair is parallel as well as equal, then it becomes a
Parallelogram.
So now we have shown that PQRS is a parallelogram. But we need to show that PQR is a
rhombus.
Children, when do we say that parallelogram becomes rhombus? This is the second part of the question to prove it to be a rhombus. What is the properties in the beginning?
All sides are equal.
Yes. Yes. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, but in rhombus, adjacent sides are equal. All sides are equal. So I just need to show that adjacent sides are equal. If we show that adjacent sides are equal, we will be done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we just need to show that adjacent sides are equal. Now listen, Since we have to show adjacent sides equal, we will look for any two triangles that contains adjacent sides of PQRS. For the time being, I am rubbing it off. For the time being, I am rubbing it off. Now let us look at the adjacent sides. Are these two adjacent sides?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For
Yes,
the
ma'am.
triangle.
Ma'am.
Look for the triangle. This triangles contain PS.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And this triangle contains.
PQ.
PQ.
So if I prove that these two triangles are congruent, I'll be done. If I
Yes.
prove that two triangles
Yes,
are congruent,
ma'am.
I will be done. Now in
Yes,
these
ma'am.
two triangles, do I have AP equal PB?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Yes, ma'am.
P is
P
the
is the
midpoint.
midpoint.
P is
Point
the
of
Point.
midpoint.
the midpoint.
Now listen, we have ABCD as a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. So do we have children AD equal BC?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
A,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
why? Why?
Ma'am, opposite sides.
Opposite equal of
Are equal.
Opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal.
Equal.
Now, since opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, will their halves also be equal? If
Yes,
both
Yes,
sides
ma'am.
are
ma'am.
Yes,
equal, their
ma'am.
halves
Yes,
will
ma'am.
also be
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
equal.
ma'am.
Now, what is half of AD?
SA.
Yes.
SA.
S.
SA.
And X
S.
is
And what is half of BC?
QB.
BQ.
BQ.
QB.
BQ.
Yes. So now we have got one thing, AP equal PB. We have this AS equal BQ because of this logic. What is the third condition?
My vertex angle is 90 degree.
Opposite sides.
90
Very
degree.
good.
X angle
Angle
90.
A equal angle B, each 90 degree. So by side, angle, side, angle, side, are these two triangles congruent?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If are congruent, we get PS is equal to PQ.
CPCT.
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 So now PQRS is a parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal. And since adjacent sides are equal, PQRS is called.
Rhombus.
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 Are you clear, children? Are you clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
great.
Ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, Vinayak.